Annabelle's doing some tummy time. Yay! She's wearing Sadie's old outfit, but it's too big on her, huh? Yeah, I'm so little. Annabelle is 8 days old today. Hi. Can you do it again? Can you put your head up? Yay! She's working hard. Yes, you are working hard. You are strong. Okay. Goodbye.